The engine air filter in your 2022-2025 VW Taos 1.5 liter is crucial for trapping dust and contaminants, preventing engine wear and ensuring optimal performance. A dirty filter reduces fuel efficiency and power. This video guides you through a simple DIY replacement. Let's start by understanding the engine air filter's role in your Volkswagen Taos. This component sits in the air intake system, filtering out harmful particles before air reaches the engine cylinders. A clean air filter ensures optimal fuel efficiency, maximum engine power, and protection from wear. When dirty, it can reduce performance by up to 10% and increase fuel consumption. The air filter traps dust, dirt, and pollen before they can enter the engine. This prevents abrasive wear on pistons, valves, and the turbocharger while maintaining clean combustion for better performance. In your 2022-2025 VW Taos 1.5 liters, the air filter is easy to access under the hood. This simple DIY replacement takes just 10 to 15 minutes and can save you money while keeping your Taos running smoothly. Look for signs that indicate your air filter needs replacement. Reduced engine performance, such as sluggish acceleration, is a key indicator. Decreased fuel efficiency means your vehicle gets fewer miles per gallon than normal. Unusual engine noises, like whining or rattling, can signal a clogged filter. A visibly dirty filter shows dust and debris buildup that needs cleaning or replacement. Your Taos's OBD2 system may display a P0101 code, indicating mass airflow sensor problems related to the air filter. Volkswagen recommends inspecting the air filter every 15,000 to 30,000 miles or every 12 to 24 months. For replacing the air filter in your VW Taos, you'll need a few basic tools and the replacement part. No special equipment is required, making this a straightforward DIY task. You'll need a basic screwdriver or socket set to remove the airbox clips. These are standard hand tools that most people already have at home. Gloves are optional but recommended to keep your hands clean while working on the engine. You'll need a new air filter. Use the OEM part number 1K0129620 for guaranteed compatibility, or choose an equivalent aftermarket filter. OEM filters typically cost between $20 and $30, while quality aftermarket brands like K&N or Bosch offer good alternatives at similar or lower prices. Park your VW Taos on level ground and ensure the engine is completely off. Open the hood by pulling the hood release lever inside the vehicle and then the safety latch under the hood. Locate the air box, which is typically a black plastic box positioned near the front of the engine compartment. Unclip the airbox lid by releasing the 3 to 4 clips that secure it in place. Carefully remove the old filter, making sure to note its orientation for proper installation of the new one. Inspect the airbox interior for any debris or foreign objects that may have accumulated. Now we'll install the new air filter in your VW Taos. First, ensure the airbox is clean. Remove any debris or dust from the interior to prevent contamination of the new filter. Insert the new air filter, ensuring the airflow direction matches the original orientation. The arrow on the filter should point toward the engine intake. Securely close the airbox lid and fasten all clips. Ensure they snap into place properly to maintain a tight seal. Remember to refer to your owner's manual for any model-specific variations. The air filter size is typically 7.5 inches by 7.5 inches by 1.75 inches. After installing the new air filter, double-check that the airbox is properly sealed to prevent unfiltered air from entering. Start the engine and listen for unusual noises that might indicate a problem with the installation. Consider resetting the service light via VW's app, if applicable, to clear any maintenance reminders. Monitor your MPG for improvements, as a clean filter should enhance fuel efficiency. Online forums can help with specific questions if you encounter any issues. When replacing the air filter in your VW Taos, there are several common mistakes that can lead to poor performance or damage. Let's review the most important ones to avoid. First, avoid forcing the airbox lid. Forcing it can break the clips or damage the housing. Instead, release the clips gently and lift the lid carefully. Second, ensure the filter is correctly oriented. Look for arrows on the filter that indicate the direction of airflow. Installing it backwards reduces filtration effectiveness and can allow contaminants into the engine. Third, don't over-tighten the clips. Secure them firmly to prevent air leaks, but over-tightening can crack the plastic housing over time. Fourth, clean the airbox thoroughly. Use compressed air or a soft brush to remove accumulated dust and debris. A dirty airbox can contaminate the new filter immediately after installation. Neglecting these common mistakes can lead to poor engine performance, reduced fuel efficiency, or even damage to the airbox housing. Take your time and follow proper procedures for best results. Looking ahead, Volkswagen is integrating telematics systems in newer Taos models starting with 2024, allowing app-based maintenance reminders for air filter changes. This digital approach helps owners stay on top of service schedules without manual tracking. Future trends point to eco-friendly air filters made from biodegradable or recyclable materials, reducing environmental impact while maintaining filtration efficiency. AI-driven diagnostics and service apps will automate checks through onboard sensors, predicting when maintenance is needed before issues arise. While electric vehicles are gaining popularity and require less traditional maintenance, air filter replacements remain crucial for internal combustion engine vehicles like the VW Taos. As hybrids and EVs dominate by 2030, expect a 20 to 30% drop in DIY air filter changes. But for current ICE models, these procedures stay essential. Consider subscribing for more DIY car maintenance tips to stay updated on evolving automotive technology and maintenance practices.